Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I'm going to be sharing a layout in my October album. It's super easy. As you guys can see, this is gotta be one of my shortest videos in a long time. And the reason for that, because it's just so simple. I basically took a pre-bought, well, not pre-bought, but like a bought card from Target, uh, obviously from the Halloween section, and I'm just gonna fussy cut and rearrange it to make it work for my album. I fell in love with the yellow of the card, and so you see it's a little bit bent. um, when you flipped it open, it said get in the spirit, and then on the inside it said happy Halloween. So I'm going to be fussy cutting all of the little ghosts in a little bit. Right now I'm just going to set up my page, and I am using a regular paper page, and then for the other side I am going to be using a pocket page that has 2x2, 4 spots of 2x2, or 4 pockets of 2x2. That's a better explanation. Just using my nail here to rough up that edge so that it looks a little bit more distressed. And here are the little ghosts from the other section of the card that I'm going to fussy cut. I only ended up using 3. I kept one of the other little ghosts as a cutout or as ephemera, so I'll keep them for later, maybe use them in another project here. I thought that I was gonna keep it with the shadow and decided against it, and just went back and fussy cut him like a normal. And off camera you guys are not gonna see, again, because I'm like trying to upload this video, like it's already the end of October and I'm like just now sharing you my layouts, but that's okay, you guys. I honestly considered that I would upload one video each day of Halloween because I just had that many ideas. But I was scared of the obligation. So maybe if I organize myself next year, I will upload a video every single day in October with Halloween ideas. I honestly just enjoy and have so much fun doing Halloweeny crafts. So I was kind of scared of the obligation. Like, what if I say I'm gonna do it and then for some reason something happens and I'm not able to? Like, I scared myself out of doing it. But here it is, the end of October, and like I'm just now sharing one of my layouts. And honestly, I am not even going to show you the rest of the stuff. I'll probably just do a couple pages and then show you the flip through. But I just had idea after idea. I don't know, I just love it when I get in my creative mojo. So I apologize that this is kind of late, and this video is super short. Again, I don't know, just just playing around. But I say all that to say that you guys are not gonna see me sorting through the sprinkles. So basically this was like, to me, the little ghosts are like out trick-or-treating, getting their candy, and so I wanted to add something sweet, and I ended up adding sprinkles behind in one of the pocket pages because I wanted a shaker pocket, but I just didn't know what to add. And so I was like, oh well, sprinkles are sweet, you know, like sugary. So that's what I decided to add for my shaker portion. You will also see that I ended up getting like a ephemera of a candy, and I ended up stapling it on the bottom behind the last little ghost. And to me, that's like my tab. I used it as a tab divider for the page. And again, you're gonna kind of, I honestly don't know if, yeah, I think you're gonna see it, but again, I'm rushing. Oh, here it is. Kind of rushing to get the video out, so I took a lot of the stuff that that needed to go in the video. So here you see that I've added the sprinkles, I've sewn around it, and I also added the word boo, because they're all ghosts, of course. And then I'm gonna finish off the video by looking through my little stash of 2x2 paper, and I found the perfect one, a little banner with the pumpkin, but it said the number 12 because it's a Halloween or October Advent number, right? And I basically just ended up whiting it out, removing the 1, and then turning this into the number 2, which later on you guys will see that I end up changing my mind anyways. But just trying to hide it, bringing my white gel ink pen, trying to hide them, gonna roughen it up and slide it in there, and that is the layout for this page, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.